So let's see. And so there are some who have answered. So X, one, and then velocity, then theta, then time. Okay. So to give everyone or the others no chance to answer this on their own. No, so I will just write here the formulas that you're going to use. Okay. So before we solve the required ones, no. So let's determine first, no, or use the initial first. Diba you have an initial velocity here, but unlike the first example, you now have an angle. Okay, so this is your VO, no, but on our solutions or equations that you're going to use, you will need VOX and VOY. So you need to get these two first. Okay, so for VOX, you'll have VO cosine theta, which is this angle, your angle. And then for VOY, you have your VO sine theta. So you'll also use this angle and your VO 37.0. Okay? So similarly, like earlier, your x position will be VOX times time. Okay? And then for your y position, so you'll have here VOY times time minus 1 half GT squared. Okay? So the G here that you will use, since your movement will be upward, 'di ba? Your movement here is upward. So your G there is positive. Okay? Plus upward. Nga pala. Diba this is from earlier. It's okay. It's the same pala. Yeah. So your G here is 9.81, no? And then for your velocity, so what you're going to use is so for your velocity after 2 seconds, so you will need first, of course, your Vx, diba, and your Vy. So for Vx, like we said, it will always be constant velocity or uniform velocity. So this is still Vox, no? So it's this one. For Vy naman, so you'll have your formula for Vy. So you have Voy minus GT. Okay? So Voy minus GT here. And then for your velocity, so you will have your Vx squared plus your Vy squared. Okay? And then for theta, Okay, and then for theta, for your angle of the velocity, so you have here arc sine, ay sorry, not arc sine, arc tangent, not arc tangent of your Vy here and the Vx, right? So that's what you're going to use. And then for letter B, the time or the flight time to reach the highest point. So what you're going to use here, no? So for this flight time, so you're going to use the formula for the Vy again, di ba? So you have Vy equals, so Voy minus GTH, no? But you will set your Vy here as 0, okay? And then you will solve for TH or T sub H, no? And then your maximum height, so we'll use the formula for the maximum height, or you also use, 'di ba you're going to solve your TH also, so you can use also the formula that is VOY T minus 1 half GT squared, wherein your T here is your TH, no? The one that you're going to solve on the first part. Or, okay, you can also use the maximum height formula, right? So you have VO squared sine squared theta, di ba? That's the, no? You're going to use. Since you're solving for the time to reach the highest point anyway, no? But if it's asked directly for the maximum height and not the time it will take, so you can also use this one, no? So even if you don't have the value for the time it will take to reach maximum height, you can still solve for the maximum height directly. Okay, so is this clear? The formula for formulas. To mastering or practicing the problem solving is again knowing which equations to use and when to use them, diba? Depending on the given, right? So you can use unit analysis, no, to analyze or to determine how you're going to solve the problems, or you can familiarize the equations. No, so if you forgot the equations, use unit analysis. But if you can familiarize these equations, much better, diba? So it's almost just direct sub most of the time, right? So it's just direct substitution. So of course, you need to analyze also or visualize the problems now being discussed, no, like this one. Because if, for example, I remove the image here, no, and this is just your problem. So how are you going to visualize this or how are you going to illustrate this so on your mind or on the solution? Diba? So it will be harder. So you need to be able to understand and visualize your worded problem. No, for this one and also for this one. No, and on your problem sets, diba, the ones I gave you, like this one. This is just worded problem, no illustration. For this one, also a worded problem. For this one, you have a given image, but again, what if I remove this? So all of the data here, no, are also already written worded, no, on the worded problem. No, but what if there's no figure given? Diba? So how are you going to analyze the problem no, without the given figure? Right? For example, the 45-meter height is already also mentioned. No? So you need to be able to visualize the worded problems before you can solve them. Now, before you can apply the formulas and which and when to use. Okay, is that clear? All right. So that covers our topics, no? Yun nga for engineering mechanics, no? So the final topics. So the problem set, instructions, and the rest of the items are already uploaded. And then next week, all right, uh, probably on Wednesday, no? So the next week will be for these topics, okay, for the finance topics. So meaning I will give the questionnaires or I will upload the questionnaires online. Okay, and then no, you'll use that time to to answer no, the quiz and also to upload the answers via Google Classroom also. Additional allowance of time no, for the uploading, well, for the scanning, uploading no, of your answers and solutions in your Google Classroom. Okay, but expect that on next Wednesday, so I will upload I will upload the questionnaires for the quiz. Okay, so is that clear for everyone? Okay. So prepare maybe even just a short bond paper will do for your quiz. No, so you can prepare a short bond paper for writing of your solution since you might be on Wednesday you might be here at the school, 'di ba? Since you might have a prior face-to-face class with me, maybe additional 30 minutes no, for the uploading and scanning of your solutions. No, so the quiz will be good for 2 hours anyway. Okay, so or maybe 2 to 3 hours, including diba, the questionnaires and to answer and upload and turn in. No? So don't forget to turn in as well. Okay. So if there are no more questions and concerns, no, so I will see you again on Wednesday. So we won't have a meeting already on Monday. Okay, so we won't meet anymore on Monday for our online, the 2 to 3 p.m. Okay, so our next meeting will be on Wednesday. No, if you're around here, no, so I will be seeing you also. You can use also our room, no, since we will have 416 now if you're at the campus. So you can use the room 416 up to 2 p.m. to answer the quiz no, and upload. Okay? And upload the quiz too. Right? So if there are no more questions, concerns, so I will anyway, I will give the details pa rin naman. So for quiz 3 next week. Okay? So still I will still post the details next week. Yes, question?
Sir, good afternoon po. Puwede pong paulit nung announcement niyo, medyo choppy lang po kayo, hindi po namin kayo maintindihan. Thank you po.
Nag-Shopee ba? Ayun nga. So your quiz, no, and in summary lang, your quiz will be next Wednesday. Okay? So I'm